We really hope that this book gives people a space to remember and reflect and witness themselves and other community members in quiet moments.
Sa isang taon anibersaryo ng Lapu-Lapu Day tragedy sa Vancouver, binuo ng grupong Filipino-Canadian Book Festival ang isang aklat na pinabagatang Gathering Our Breath.
It's kind of just like a community collage of photography and documentation of that time. It's, in my opinion, it's also very historic besides being very soulful and reflective.
Sa loob ng anthology, makikita ang ilang mga obra, poems, short stories, diary entries, social media posts, at mga larawan mula sa iba't ibang tao sa Canada at ibang bansa kung paano sila naghilom at nagluksa matapos ang trahedya.
We were witnessing the many different ways people were expressing their grief through social media, through art, at the memorials. Just in general in our community, we were seeing all of these things pop up sporadically, but we kind of were saying to each other that it would be great and important to be able to look back on these things later in a way that they are all kind of together and accessible to our community.
Halos 40 Filipino artists ang nag-volunteer para ibahagi ang kanilang art at karanasan sa libro na binuo lamang mula sa mga donasyon.
When we did a call out on social media, we didn't make it exclusive to any specific people or experiences. We just said if it's something you want to contribute, please, you're welcome to send it to us.
Maaring makakuha ng libreng kopya ng Gathering Our Breath sa Museum of Vancouver sa May 17. 100 kopya ng anthology ang ilalabas ng grupo sa museo.
The event itself is free, but you do have to RSVP. So if you visit the Museum of Vancouver's website, you can register there. You will need to register. We will have copies of the book available. It will be first come, first serve. Again, if you arrive early, you'll be able to get a copy while supplies last.
Isang fundraiser din ang book launch sa museo para sa mga pamilyang apektado ng trahedya.
And our emotions and feelings together, we welcome everybody, any age, whoever wants to be there. We would be happy to have you, and we would be honored to share time with you.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.